done is we've squared off one side and then we're coming in, now we're putting a parallel underneath so we've got a consistent height. And once we get one established, we should be able to just cut the whole 4 of them at the same level. So what I'm doing here is just lining up the parallel with the line that we've put across there as our rough measurement. Now I'll just tighten that in. And once we've got that set, then we'll just run it to right just below the line, and that should get us started. So what we're doing here, we're just going to transfer the hole positions into the Perspex. And what I've done here is just generally lined it up by eye, and just going to hold that and put the transfer punch on, give it a tap, and just make sure it hasn't moved. It looks alright. Turned around. So as you can see, I've got the hole positions marked. So what we're doing is putting a 4.5mm hole into the spaces. They're actually tapped for 4mm machine screw. So what we've got here is the vise, and located in the vise is a recess, so you can actually drill close to the jaw edge. So all I'm doing is lining up the areas that we've got to drill, with that, so I can just come straight through, but I've got full support, of the vise when it's closed up. So I'm just lining up the drill position, just firming the vise down. Now I've got full support. I can bring that over to the drill, start the drill up. So I'm just bringing it down over the position. And just drill straight through. Clearing the hole regularly so it doesn't clog up. Take it easy, coming out the other side so you get a clean hole. So what I've done is just moved it over to the other side, and we go again. So what we've done so far is laid out the baseboard. We put on our centre line, and then we put the distance that will be running the linear bearing tracks, so they'll be set up like that. And then going on to the linear bearings will be the spacers, and they'll just sit on top, and that'll all tie in to the actual baseboard. We've got the positions marked out to put the linear bearings on. So the importance here is that the distance from the centre line on this board and this board are as close as possible. Otherwise you're going to have problems with this tracking backwards and forwards along the rails.